Another must-have is trade management rules. This means having a game plan before you get into any trade. You need to know what you are going to do if the trade goes in your favor or against you. So just like in football, you're going to have a plan before you start the play. So now that you've gotten into the trade, exiting the trade is the part that determines whether you are going to make or lose money. There are two types of traders. There's a trader that properly manages his or her trade and plans an exit strategy for different scenarios. So even if the trade goes in the wrong direction, this trader knows when to get out with a smaller loss. The other trader has no plan and has to make the decision in the heat of the moment to stay or get out of a trade. Most of the time, these traders hope a losing trade will come back and instead of taking a small loss, wipe out their entire account. So when you enter a trade, you should have already decided how you will react to every possible outcome. You should try to think of all of these outcomes and know beforehand how to react. Remember, a key to this is being an emotionless robot when you trade. All of your decisions should be made before you even take the trade. So when any situation arises, you have the rule spelled out and you simply execute on the rule. You must have your trade management rules fully planned out ahead of time in your trade journal before the trade is initiated. You never ever want to be thinking, now what do I do when you're in the middle of a trade? You can begin a list now in your trade journal, and also as you demo trade, you will continue to build out this section in your trade journal.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.